Okay, students, we are doing sums from your linear equations exercise 2.2 from the sum number 9. Now, these are word problems. The word problem is the ages of Rahul and Heron are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? We have to find present ages of Rahul and Heron. Now, what is given here? Ratio of their ages is given. So ratio of the ages is 5:7. So when ratio is given, we are going to take their age in the form of x. So let Rahul's age be, present age be x. Rahul's present age be x. Sorry, 5x. And Heron's present age be 7x. Then next is given to you 4 years later. The sum of their ages will be 5 plus 6. 4 years later means today present age is 5x. His 7x. 4 years means after 4 years we are going to add 4 in there. So 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Now what is the condition given to us? 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56. Sum of the ages means we have to do here addition. First I will write here 4 years later means 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. 4 years later, both of them 4 years later. Now here 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. Age of Rahul and age of Heron. Their sum is 56. So according to the question or according to the condition, 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. So we have got here, I have solved here sum 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4. 5x plus 5x and 7x, we will get 12x. 4 plus 4, 8 is equal to 56. So 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. We have taken 8 to the right side. 12x is equal to 48. So x is equal to 48 divided by 12, that is x is equal to 4 is the solution. Now we have got here x. We have to substitute what we have to find present age of Rahul. Present age of Rahul is 5x, 5 and Heron is 7x. So in place of x we are going to substitute 4. Means Rahul's present age will be 20 and Heron's present age will be 28. 7 4s are 28. Now here present age of Rahul and Heron is 20 and 28. Now we have to check whether these our values are correct or not. Then what we are going to use? We are having with us 4 years later. Their sum of ages after 4 years we are having, it's 56. So let us add. Our equation already we have taken here, 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. So in place of 5x, we have got 5x as 20, substitute 20. 7x we have got 28, substitute 28. So 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 means 5x, 20 plus 4 plus 28 plus 4. We are getting 56, which is equal to right hand side. Means when we are adding their age after 4 years, whose sum is 56. By substituting this x as 4, we have got the correct answer. It means Rahul's present age is 20 and Heron's present age is 28. Now we will see sum number 10. Sum number 10 is the number of boys and the girls in the class are in the ratio 7:4. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of the girls. What is the total class strength? Now see what is given here. We have to find out the class strength, means the total number of the students. Boys and girls ratio is 7:5. Means we are going to take it as 7x and 5x. Number of boys and girls. 7x and this. Let the number of boys be 7x. The number of girls be 5x. So 7x and 5x will be the number of the boys and the girls, as the ratio is 7:5. Now one thing given here is number of boys is 8 more than the number of the girls. Means there are 8 boys more in the class than the girls. So number of boys is 8 more than the girls. So we have to find out the total strength, means how many total students are there in the class, that we have to find. So let us take 7x minus 5x is 8, means number of boys minus number of girls. is 8, means what is this 8? More boys are there. So difference between the number of the boys and the girls is 8, means 8 more boys are there, that we have taken in the equation. 7x minus 5x is 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 8 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, means x is 4. So we got x as 4. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the number of the boys. 7x is equal to 7 into 4 because x is 4. 7 4s are 28. Number of girls, 5x is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20. So when we add this 20 plus 28 plus 20, we get 48. So what is the total strength of the class? 48. 28 boys, 28 girls, 48. Let us find whether our this answer is correct. How will you check it? Number of boys minus number of girls. 28 minus 20. 28 minus 20 is 8. See here. 8 boys are more than the girls. So the total strength of the class is 48. It means the sums we have solved here, or the equation we have done, the solution we have got 4, and these numbers 28 and 20 are correct. So this is sum number 10. Let's see now sum number 11. Now this sum number 11, this sum is a bit different. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all three is 135 years. What is the age of each of them? See now how to do the equation. Once you understand how to do the equation, you can solve the sum. Sum is easy. Just first make the equations. Now see, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Means one Baichung is there, a boy, his father is 26 years younger than his grandfather. Means how many members are there? Father is there, grandfather is there. Father and grandfather and Baichung. His father is, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than grandfather. It means grandfather is 26 years bigger than father. Did you understand? Baichung's father is 26 years younger than his grandfather. Means grandfather is 26 years more than the father. And 29 years older than Baichung. His father is 29 years bigger than him. Means Baichung's father is 29 years bigger than him. So here what will you do? It means Baichung is 29 years smaller than his father. Now we have to, what is given, sum of their ages is 135. We have to find age of each of them personally. So we are going to take here father's age as x. Let father's age be x. Grandfather's age will be x plus 26 because grandfather is 26 years bigger than this father. In the sum it is given Baichung's father is 26 years younger than his grandfather. So we have added here, we have taken grandfather as 26 years older than the father. Then here what is given? Baichung's father is 29 years bigger than him. It means Baichung is smaller by 29 years. So we will do here x minus 29. Now sum of all these three, x minus 29 plus x plus 26 is 135. Sum of ages of all this father, Baichung and his grandfather, it is 135. So if you solve it from according to the condition, here I have written let age of father be x, Baichung's age will be x minus 29, grandfather's age will be x plus 26. According to the question, you have written the equation. I have solved here x plus x minus 29 plus 26. 1, 2, 3, 3x minus 29 plus 6 is minus 3 is equal to 135. 3x is equal to 135 plus 3. You have taken to right hand side. 3x is equal to 138. 3x divided by 3 is equal to 138 divided by 3. 3 1s are 346. So x is 46. Father's age is 46 years. Baichung's age is x minus 29. Means 29 years he is smaller than his father. 46 minus 29 is 17 years. Grandfather's age x plus 26 because he is bigger than father by 26 years. 46 plus 26 is 72. So now let us find out whether these ages of father, son and grandfather are correct. 46, 17 and 72. Sum of the ages is of the 3 is 135. It is given to us. So 46 plus 17 plus 72 is 135. It is equal to our ages. Means the values which we have got, the ages of this father, grandfather and son, means it is 46, 17 and 72. It is correct. Now let us see sum number 12. Sum number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times the present age. What is Ravi's present age? We have to find out Ravi's present age. Let Ravi's present age be x years. We have taken it as x. 15 years from now. So from today, from now, whatever his age is there, from there, right after 15 years, his age will be x plus 15 years. So देखिए, अगर आज आपका एज 12 years है तो 15 years बाद वो कितना होगा? तो we are going to do 12 plus 15. Yes, now here we don't know Ravi's age, so we have taken it as x, and 15 years after that it will be x plus 15. According to the question, now question क्या है? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So 4 times present age means 4x and x plus 15. 15 years from now, his age will be 4 times his present age. 4 गुना उसका means 4 times. It will be, his age will be there from now. So x plus 15 is equal to 4x is the equation. Let us take 4x to the left hand side. X minus 4x is equal to 15. So 3x. Now see here. X minus 4x is, it will come. This is 1. 1x minus 4x. We will get minus 3x is equal to minus 15. X is equal to minus 15 upon minus 3. Minus minus plus 15 upon 3. 3 5 is 15. So this we have got present age of Ravi. Let us check whether it is correct or not. This is present age, means today's age of Ravi is 5 years. After 15 years, how much it will be? We have added 5 plus 15 because आज उसका age है 5 years और 15 years के बाद वो होगा. We are going to add 15 in, that means he will be of 20 years. Now what is given here? See, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. कितने times? 4 times. So यहाँ हमें मिला है today's age 5. 5 4 are 20, correct? So 5 4 times is 20. Means after 15 years, his age will be 4 times his present age. So we have got the correct answer. Present age is 5. After 15 years, it will be 4 times. So 5 4 are 20. Means Ravi's present age is 5 years. So here we complete sum number 12. Remaining sums we will do in next lecture. And see, all of you download Zoom app for our Mondays online lecture. It is better to teach on Zoom by sharing the, so means I can share this lesson to you on Zoom app. Okay, thank you. Copy all these sums in your notebook and write the date. Thank you.